On Iran, yes, history is also full of examples where there has been, toppling of the regimes, but the question is what comes after. Right now, like I said, it's not clear whether the regime is going to fall or not. It's clear that the protests are massive. It's also clear that the regime is brutally suppressing and killing people to really incite fear in the societies. And this is how the regimes operate. But in order to fall, I think, in the history you have examples that you need really from inside the alternatives to have a functioning state. But like I said, that's why we are supporting the civilian society as much as we can on our side. Regarding the what will we do regarding those ambitions, like you mentioned, regarding Greenland, I think it's not right to discuss this in the media. We have those discussions. Also, what are the tools in our hands, and we have the discussions with the member states, including Denmark. What is the situation? But definitely. We are not preparing in public.